Alright, before starting the app, the first thing I'm going to do is connect to the Wi-Fi. So it is called Wi-Fi-1080p. So this is the one. It's connecting. And it has connected. So now I'm just going to start the app, which is the which one is it? H1 Pro is the app. Just going to start, play. So we already have the image coming from the drone's camera, and I'm going to try to start the camera using this video button, record button over here. Let's see if it's going to start it. It blinked, but I don't think it is recording anything because I don't see this camera on the app turn on. So I'm assuming that it's not recording. Let's try the same thing with the photo and see if it's going to take a picture. So this button over here is the photo. I'm going to press it. And the light blinked once, but I didn't see anything coming here. So now I'm just going to take a photo using this. Okay, now it recorded something because I can see a little image hovering for about a second. And I'm going to start the video. Now it started counting, so it is recording. Let's try to put this here. Oh. By the way, I accidentally pressed the auto takeoff button while I was trying to put the phone in place. Now this holder is not, I tried this yesterday, I had the same result. My phone is too thick for this. It is not holding it, so I'm going to hold it separately. Unfortunately I have to do that. So it's going to be a little tricky holding the boat like this, but I think I can manage. It's kind of like look outside, somewhere a little brighter. I'm already getting a little bit of interference on the video. Not sure what's causing it. But so it is very stable, as you can see. I'm just holding, I'm not touching anything, it is just hovering in one place. Let me get it up a little bit so I can see myself actually. And I'm just going to now stop the video and take a couple pictures. Let's see how they look. And smile. And let's take a couple pictures of outside. Oh, no. Okay. I don't know what caused it. Maybe it was trying to follow me. When I moved, it started moving as well and hit the wall. So I'm just going to check the legs or the arms. They're still folded, so I'm going to take off again. Alright, so it's definitely drifting. That's crazy. Alright, I had to do an emergency landing. So I don't know why it went crazy like that. I'm not sure if I accidentally pressed something like a follow me mode. It says non-fixed mode. I'm not sure what the app is doing right now, but if you look, you'll see that there's something blinking here. It says non-fixed mode. I don't know if that caused any issue over here. I don't know what that mode is, non-fixed mode. Okay, let me try again from over here. But I mean, it just kind of went crazy. I'm not sure if it was trying to follow my phone or something. And I'm moving it right now and it's not doing that. But it just went crazy before. So right now it's okay. I'm going around it. But it was scary, it just flew. Is the optical mode motion? Yeah, and I can affect it with my hand. So it's kind of like I went crazy 2 times, so that kind of scares me. Not ideal. But I think the indoor testing is done for now. I'm just going to land it here and then, yeah, whenever it's over the table, it just kind of go real crazy. Alright, safely landed. I'm going to continue my testing outdoors so that I can test out the other features like the headless mode, the 1 key return, and emergency stop, and all that. And also I will be able to test the functionality of the app as well. See you outside.